Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This video is a quick review of the Revell Star Wars TIE Fighter in 1 to 110th scale. Inside the kit you get a couple of large sprues containing the main parts, the base, and also a clear sprue containing the glass. You get some decals for the glass, but I found that they weren't really conforming to the shape of the plastic, so I decided to paint that instead. The general colours of the overall model are a grey and a black colour with a few little highlights here and there in reds and greens. The painting is quite easy, and I'm pretty sure that I left this in the raw plastic colour as I felt that was the closest colour to any paint that I would have had. So I decided just to weather the model after assembly. What I really like about this model is that you can open the lid to have a look inside and see the detail in there, with the pilot sitting ready to attack any X-Wings that might be in the vicinity. I also like that there is a display stand, which the X-Wing for some reason did not have. One small thing that I would like to highlight though is that this kit is 1 to 110 and the X-Wing was 1 to 112. So they were slightly different scales, but they are very close. But side by side, if you compare the pilots, the TIE Fighter seems to be absolutely massive, so I'm not 100% sure they've got the scaling right, either on this one or the X-Wing. Anyway, it's a good model to build, and it produces a reasonable result at the end. I'm pretty pleased with it. Let me know what you think in the comments underneath. I am aware that this model can come as part of a starter set for an increased price, but mine didn't and retailed for about £5 in the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to find out when my next video goes live. See you all again next time.